Welcome to the spirit animal world, a game designed to connect to the joy of your heart and create funny, crazy, delirious stories together. And it's a very simple game. We just meet with the cards and then do improv battles. We have the funky die, the débile, to help us, give us like a direction in our improvs. And it's just a fun, delirious game to play with friends or with your family.
Je suis l'araignée.
Je suis le hibou.
Tu me cherches? Eh bien, je vais dire quelque chose. Tu vas me trouver. Je suis pas un hibou comme les autres.
This game is a wonderful opportunity to connect with the wild, spontaneous, and joyful spirit inside of us, to help us recognize these friends, the animals that we share this beautiful planet with, and learn to love even more. Join the animal revolution and help us share this magical game with the world. Click on the link below. Thank you.